Yo, what up? It's CO 730 ENT. We back. We took almost, Mike J actually let me know it was almost a year we took off, but we were doing videos, so we kept the buzz going. We got projects, we got material. We in the 730 new and improved lab, so it's smaller than what we're used to. This is the plaques. Not all of them are up there. Not all of them made it through moving, but I'm gonna refix them. This is the dual monitors for the video editing / blah 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 blah. The Samsung's Project Mix. My new camera, 24p, 35mm, and this is my favorite Toy Bowl. It's the fader port, because a lot of people have to run in the booth, then run out the booth and push the button and run in the booth. I don't have to do that. I got the fader port by Personas. It's like about 200 bucks. Just take it. I'll probably like put it here. That way when I'm in the booth, I can just like open the door real quick and look at the monitors. I was gonna put a window here like I had in the other one, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't feel like buying a new door. Right here, blah, blah, blah. Tap it while you're playing. Play, close the door. Or set it up and then close the door and push play. It's up to you. This is motorized, it moves on its own. Fader port is a real good piece of equipment to have. I might put a monitor up here where I can see. So I don't have to open the door at all, but I gotta work out what I have to buy for that. But it's possible. You can make anything happen if you put your mind to it. That's gonna be where we do the music. It's a big mess right now, but that's where we're gonna put that. And right now, the whole point of this is to let you know that we're building a new booth. And it's not gonna take too long, because I already stripped out all the shelves. These are the planks that were in the shelves we're on. If you wanna build a booth, this is how you do it, real easy. Simple, don't cost that much. You wanna get yourself some Gorilla Glue, some poly paneling. It's high density styrofoam. It's used for soundproofing. It's used for windows, sidings of houses and stuff. So once everything is stripped out of your closet or whatever you're doing, you wanna get some of this acrylic latex. Once you get that, you wanna cover all the cracks like I did here. You can see the white here. You can see the white down the edges, all cracks, because believe it or not, little cracks let air in and it compromises the sound. So once you get all that cleared up, then you'll be ready to start putting in your poly panel. Poly panel is cheap. It's like 10 bucks for a pack of 6. So we spent like 10, 20, 30, $40. Actually, Mike J did, because we're a team. We do whatever we have to do for the team. And he hit the lotto. No, just fucking with you. That's my phone. Hold on, that's my phone. Hello? I don't know where I was up to. I got a phone call, so whatever. Poly paneling. You want to measure. It's real simple. You don't have to be a goddamn brainiac. Just do what you gotta do. You measure. If you keep the panels in, that's up to you. I kept these panels in right here because I wanted to raise the other pieces of poly paneling that I put in, which gave me a good bounce. Give the sound a good bounce. But you might want to take it out and just have a straight surface so that each strip, you don't have to cut anything. You could just put one strip here, slice down another strip, and blah blah. It'll be a lot faster. But I'm not lazy, so I feel like cutting and putting a little work into it. So what I'm doing now is poly paneling it, and once I'm done poly paneling it, we'll come back and I'll show you the next step after poly paneling. Alright, we just poly paneled everything. As you can see, I put the raised paneling in for the sound bounce and everything. So look, this is a test. I'm gonna let you know how it sounds. Alright, so I'm out here. You hear how my voice sounds now. Now if you come closer, then you're gonna hear how quickly my voice sounds, and it changes and it gives it a deeper, realistic, it gives it fullness. Anyway, I put the raised paneling. This all has a purpose. It's not for design. Some people think it's for design, but it's not. It changes the sound. The raised paneling is simple. Whatever scraps you got after using the piece for the poly paneling, just basically triangles is what I use. I mean, you can do other shapes. I don't know how well they're gonna work. You need solid lines, kind of like one of the fighter jets that they have stealth. And they have a lot of shapes on it. It bounces all of the signals from the satellite, so they can't detect you. That's how they stay stealth. This is the same thing. It's bouncing all the sounds around, so it doesn't give you a flat sound. It gives you a full sound. So you can just use the scraps you got. I use triangles. I left this open because I'm putting my PreSonus handheld mixer here. Wiring is gonna get put in. So that's basically it. So if you can see, oh yeah, what else I gotta do is I'm gonna silicone everything. So like all the cracks in the corners, gonna get silicone with the gun. You just squirt silicone in with your finger, go over it, make it smooth. If you see anything here, you might want to silicone anything that looks uncomfortable to you, that you think air can get out or sound can escape. Cover it up. And then I'm gonna put the stripping. This is weather stripping, this is what I was talking about earlier. So the weather stripping is gonna go right on the inside of the door like this. So when you close it, it gives it a tighter seal, and then sound doesn't escape either. Which it all comes back to no sound, no air getting in. Which means when you're in here rapping, you're gonna be sweating. It's gonna get hot. So you better have your bars ready and know what you're doing, because it's gonna get hot in here. But every good booth gets hot, except for the ones that are professional. They have air conditioning and all that crazy shit, man. But we're not professional. We don't have the money. We got food stamps. That's how we do. And that's it. And I'll be back. I'll show you the final product when everything is in there. Alright, that's how to build a booth in a day. Simple. Alright, that's it. We're done. I don't think there's anything else that I didn't show you, but this is the final product. I spray painted it just because I felt like it. I usually keep it white, but I just felt like spray painting some shit on it. So that's it. That's the booth. Wires run out of there. You can't really see it. I spray painted it. That's it. Everything is ready to go. And that's how to make a booth. Real easy, real quick. And I would show you how to wire everything, but it's too much work depending on your system. I'm not gonna be able to help you with that. So that's it. That's how to make a booth on a budget. See you.